The tech world has gone full speed last year, and AI was in the driving seat, handling the steering. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The rapid rise of AI companies has delivered a major boost to the wealth of America's leading technology figures in 2025. According to market data, all the AI-linked stocks has added more than $500 billion to the combined fortunes of the country's top tech executives over the past year. Bloomberg summed it all up to show that 10 richest U.S. founders and tech bosses now control close to $2.5 trillion of wealth, which was just $1.9 trillion a year before that. The main reason behind that? Simple. Investors are very interested in AI, which has pushed U.S. stock markets to break records. Elon Musk, who's already become the world's richest man, has heavily benefited from AI. His net worth climbed by nearly 50% year on year to an estimated $645 billion. Elon Musk's main channels of making bucks include his AI venture, xAI, and electric car making company Tesla, which crossed the $500 billion mark in October, making him the first person to achieve this milestone. Musk now ranks on top above Larry Page, who's sitting at $270 billion, and Jeff Bezos at $255 billion. Besides them, Jensen Huang, head of chipmaker Nvidia, has also rose to $40 billion net worth thanks to AI chip surge. These stats are clearly showing that today, whoever has the AI has the world. For more updates like these, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. And it could define the next decade of the tech world. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. With AI getting better and space dreams growing bolder, the digital empires face new pressure, and so does the people in charge. Here's how 2026 may unfold for tech's biggest names. Elon Musk has never one to play it safe, and when he faces the pressure for 2026, expect heavier workloads and non-stop demands across Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI. The year may test his patience, but if he stays strategic, the payoff could be massive. Then there's Mark Zuckerberg, quiet, confident, and built for the long game. Zuckerberg looks set for a strong year. Stability, growth, and financial clarity dominate his 2026. Meta's AI-driven platforms and tighter ecosystems fit perfectly with his steady, methodical energy. Jeff Bezos is playing the slow game in 2026. While early delays or roadblocks are possible, Bezos' disciplined approach points to solid gains later in the year. His focus on infrastructure, space exploration, and legacy building could finally start paying off in visible ways. And for Sam Altman, all signs point up. 2026 is shaping up to be a breakout year for the OpenAI CEO, especially in career and financial growth. Altman's belief that AI will evolve into a true research partner lines up with the year ahead, which is full of innovation. And at last, Bill Gates may face challenges early in 2026, but it'll get better as the year unfolds. With patience and experience, he's positioned to leave his impact across global health, climate action, and policy. Looks like stars will be aligning for these tech giants, and we're in for a year full of tech surprises. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. CES 2026 in Las Vegas was a tech explosion like no other, with robots, AI, huge TVs, and futuristic gadgets everywhere. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. The first thing to notice were the massive TVs. Samsung unveiled a jaw-dropping 130-inch micro RGB TV. Hisense claimed the world's largest RGB mini LED at 116 inches, and TCL took the win with a 163-inch micro LED that could cover an entire wall. OLED, Mini LED, SQD. The tech may confuse, but the picture quality is blindingly bright and sharp. And then, of course, AI dominated everything, especially wearables. The Plod Note Pen S is a tiny device that clips or straps to your wrist, recording conversations and transcribing them into action items. Moft introduced a trackable wallet stand, an ultra-thin MagSafe wallet with Apple Find My built-in, and it's perfect for holding 2 cards. Ink Poster is a cord-free e-paper frame that displays thousands of artworks on battery power that can last up to a year. It's available in multiple sizes. iBot is changing how we test our MRI. A 10 to 15 minute kiosk test delivers prescriptions directly to your email and are reviewed remotely by an optometrist, matching traditional prescriptions perfectly. For audio, TDM Neo headphones double as freestanding speakers when twisted off your head, plus they come with replaceable batteries. From massive wall-sized TVs to AI-powered wearables, CES 2026 proves tech is growing at speed. Whether it's smarter audio, futuristic eyewear, or art displays, CES is showing exactly where the future's headed, and it's impossible to ignore. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. You think AI is just for robots and sci-fi? Think again, because it's already running your phone, your watch, and even your fridge. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech place. Here's how AI is secretly taking over your everyday tech and making life way smarter. First up, your camera just got a brain. Yes, smartphones and webcams are no longer just lenses. AI-enhanced cameras can analyze lighting, recognize faces, and even shoot low-light photos like a pro. Night shots? No problem. Editing? Done in seconds. Next, your personal trainer never sleeps. Smartwatches now double as AI health coaches, tracking heart rate, sleep, stress, and workouts. Ask it questions, get instant advice, and soon your watch could even monitor blood pressure. AI also handles the boring stuff, from summarizing emails to writing spreadsheet formulas. AI assistants like ChatGPT and Gemini act like personal secretaries in your pocket. They remember details, connect the dots, and free you from these tasks so you can focus on the stuff that matters. Your kitchen's getting smarter with AI too, as it isn't just in phones, it's cooking your food too. Smart ovens, fridges, and coffee makers now adapt to your habits and even suggest recipes when you don't know what to eat. And of course, Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, they're all running on AI-powered recommendation engines. From suggesting shows to translating content instantly, AI makes sure you're always watching what you love without even thinking. AI is everywhere already, and it's only getting started. Cameras help, work, play, even your kitchen and couch. AI is making your devices smarter, faster, and more personal. And pretty soon, you won't be looking for tech with AI. You'll be wondering how you ever live without it. Which is your favorite AI help? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. How Amazon and Microsoft are swallowing AI startups without getting caught. The AI industry is heating up, and big tech is on the hunt. A close watch over every step, or rather by, is stringent antitrust regulations that has barred them from buying up startups that they used to earlier. Instead, it's the very clever tactic of using a reverse acqui-hire that allows these tech giants to snap up talent and technology without raising red flags. Here's what's happening. At a recent tech conference, Reid Hoffman, co-founder of LinkedIn and an investor in AI startup Inflection, called out the hiring of Inflection's team by Microsoft as a pattern maker for future AI deals, about which he was correct. The latest is Amazon's hiring of most of the team behind AI startup Adept and licensing of its technology. It allows Amazon to tap Adept's expertise without formally acquiring the company and its potential antitrust scrutiny. Adept, which raised $400 million from top investors, was struggling to keep up with the costly demands of building leading AI models. With its funding running out, it was looking to sell. Amazon seized the opportunity and hired 60% of Adept's staff, licensing its technology to help speed up in-house AI roadmap. This reverse acqui-hire strategy is a clever way for big tech to swallow AI startups without getting caught. It can hire talent and license technology to side up the adversarial gaze of antitrust regulators. This works by hiring talent and licensing technology. They can avoid the scrutiny of antitrust regulators. It's a win-win for both parties. The startup keeps its technology alive, and big tech plugs right into the most recent AI innovations at reduced cost.